Capture the mesmerizing beauty of a sunset. Write on your nails with a captivating sunset blend nail art design. Start with an orange base and mix it seamlessly into pink, purple, and white hues. For achieving the perfect blend is easier with a makeup sponge, and you can use a small brush also. To add a touch of sparkle and mimic the twinkling stars, consider applying glitter polish. The outcome will be nails that evolve the enhancement of a setting sun. From candy cane stripes for Christmas to fun designs for Halloween, the possibilities are endless. Brides can choose classic white or every nails or add stubble decorations for a touch of glam. Bridesmaids can coordinate with the wedding color scheme. Create a luxurious look with gradient jewel tone nails. Combine rich colors like sapphire, emerald, and amethyst for a regal appearance. Get your nails ready. Start with clean dry nails, remove old nail polishes, and trim the shape of your nail as you like. Always apply a base coat to protect your nails and help the polish stick better. Put on nail polish in thin, even coats to avoid streaks and clumps. Let each coat dry completely before applying the next one. Use a quick dry top coat for a shiny finish. Use a small brush with nail polish remover to fix any mistake around the edges.